AI writing tools are incredibly powerful, but like driving a car, you need the right skills to use them well. A vague "write a story" scores just 2 for clarity, while specific instructions about a swimming dragon hit 9. Match your style to your purpose. Formal for business letters, casual for friendly messages, or creative for dragon pizza adventures. Watch out for AI mistakes like fake facts, wrong spelling, and mixed-up details that can sneak into generated text. Always double-check facts with a real source. Don't just copy and paste what the AI gives you. Good use means asking for brainstorming ideas. Bad use is copying AI's work word for word as your own. Breaking big tasks into smaller steps works much better than dumping one giant request on the AI. Build your essay step by step. Gather key facts first, then explore how events started, and finally examine their effects. If photosynthesis sounds too complex, try rephrasing your prompt with simpler language and relatable examples like pizza. Never ask AI to create harmful content, mean messages, or share private details. These are completely off limits. AI should be used responsibly, keeping ethics and safety at the heart of every interaction. The best results come when you, the AI tool, and collaborative thinking all work together as a team.